There you go. Now you can hear me. I always forget to turn this thing on. What's up, people? How's everyone doing? All right. Might not have enough water for the stream because it's like half empty, but it's all good. We'll fill it up or whatever. But hey, how's everyone doing? What's up? And no, it's Thursday, right? It's Thursday, right? Hold up. Yeah, all right. It's Thursday. It's not Friday, but we're streaming anyway. You know, there's a CTF this weekend, and I was really thinking about it, and I was like, yo, this is my Parrot Linux laptop, right? This thing, it's beautiful. I customized it on this channel. You guys seen it, right? It's not the greatest at streaming, recording, everything else. So I was like, let me get a virtual machine on my computer so it's a little bit cleaner. I can use all three of my monitors and, just customize it here, set it up a little bit, try to get it somewhat good looking, somewhat something. I don't know. I'm just talking at this point. I see looking at the chat, you guys are saying what's up, what's up? You're doing good? I'm good. I'm good. I'm just vibing right now, trying to get this see if we can get this VM set up. I mean, I already set it up, but customized, because like, hey, the first video on this channel was me customizing Linux the day before a CTF. And now we're here 2 days before a CTF, so we're getting better. All right, we're getting better, guys. Yeah, all right, so I guess we should jump into this. Where's my OBS at? Let's do the, all right, perfect, perfect. Oh, look how ugly this is. Come on, we're gonna make this so beautiful, all right? No, it's kidding. Parrot does actually look pretty cool as a standalone operating system, but we're not gonna stick with that. We're not gonna stick with that. We're going to, customize the heck out of it for no reason, right? You said it's already midnight over there? Yeah, I'm sorry, man. You can stay up till like 2 in the morning with us just customizing Linux, that's what we do. Looking at the subscribers, we're at 699. I need one more of you guys. Come on now. Just one person who's watching this video. Just hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. Let's get to 700. Let's get to 700, all right? Now, I guess we should get started, right? Whip out the terminal. Oh, no. I got Terminator on here. We're not using this. First of all, we're going to need to customize Terminator cuz the default has a little red bar. We're going to make it look pretty. We're going to make everything look pretty, right? But for now, we're just going to stick with what we have. We're going to change directories into our downloads. And if I list, I have those beautiful files that I used in my very first video. Yes. So we're going to Codium this directory. And Codium's just Visual Studio Code. I think it's open source though. I could be wrong. I don't know. All right. Sweet. What are we doing, boys? What are we doing? So I don't need the install thing because we already installed a lot of the stuff we were going to install. So we can close that. What's Parrot setup? Oh, so it's how I. All right. So first things first, we're not going to have a desktop that looks ugly, right? When it hits 700, he'll do a rap. Maybe. We'll see. I have to be like a royalty-free beat, though. Oh, should I put some music on? I can put some music on, guys. The Spotify is probably going to cover this. Or it's going to mess up with the stream. It's probably going to mess with the stream. It's going to be like 2 frames per second when I have the Spotify on. Let me check my... Actually, no, it looks like it's doing good. First of all, guys, if you guys have not checked out the Cosmodium Spotify, check it out. I don't know if I have the link in the description, but we have some pretty cool stuff in here. These are playlists still in the works, but I think all of these are public. So, yeah, pretty cool stuff. We're just going to go on those royalty-free, though. move it over here. Because I'm not trying to, you know, get that copyright strike. All right. This might be a little loud, so let me turn my volume down. All right, hold up. Let me turn that off. All right. Let me know if that's a good volume. Do I need to turn it up? Do I need to turn it down? Do I need to turn it off? What are we doing? Thank you, Sistrum, for dropping the link in there. All right. So we're about, 10 minutes in the stream and we haven't even touched our Linux system yet. So we need to touch our Linux system. Oh my god. I'm being hype as heck for no reason, yo. I don't know if Motzi's watching this right now, but he was like, you need to stop cursing in your video. So we're doing that PG-13 video, all right? Or PG-13 streams. All right, cool. I'm gonna turn it down like 2 notches because I can't hear my brain, but cool. All right, so forget the desktop. We don't use desktops anymore. I think the first thing we should probably do is go through the settings in the control center. We're also going to redo the panels. Actually, no, you know what the first thing we should do is change the wallpaper. Change the wallpaper. All right, change desktop background. What we doing, guys? What we doing? I know I had this one on my laptop one. I might just use this one because I already have that one. Unless it's the purple one. Oh, should we get a Cosmodium wallpaper? Should we get a Cosmodium wallpaper, guys? Do the one with the girl. One with the girl. Oh, this one? I've had this one for a little bit. If you watch my what was it called? What video was that? USB rubber ducky video. It was a USB rubber ducky video. Stealing Wi-Fi passwords with the USB rubber ducky. I have this one on. All right, the chat has spoken. I'll use this one for now. I might get a Cosmodium wallpaper later, but this should be fine for now. All right, so let's get the control center up in here. And we're just gonna go down and then just assassinate, login window. All right. So I'm gonna type my root password in chat for you guys. No, I'm fine. All right, perfect. Did I type that in right? Oh, okay. So for the login screen, what should we do? Let me get that one. Yes, this one. I love this one, dude. This one's so cool. Background color, that's fine. Stretch across multiple monitors. Why not? Make it look cooler. Draw user backgrounds. Draw a grid. GTK theme. Yeah, we'll use dark icon theme. Maya, I think. No. Oh, okay. Well, we already clicked on it. We'll just get with Maya for now. Breeze is fine. Optional pictures. Okay, cool. Oh, can we get the Cosmodium logo and then just replace all the parrot logos with the Cosmodium logo? You're on the new ParrotOS dual boot. I was going to dual boot this, but then I realized for recording purposes, the VM might be better. But I made it a really good VM, gave it like a bunch of stuff. But you guys already see that the streaming quality is a lot better if you go on like any of my streams when I'm on Linux. It's like good, but it's like laggy. The audio's out of sync. With this, it's good. Plus, if I'm recording a Linux video, it's going to be a lot easier to edit because I edit on Windows because it's just a little bit easier. Cool. We are moving mad slow. We're like 15 minutes into this and we changed our wallpaper. So let's actually start and, try to persist a little bit. Allow manual login, have a user list. Automatic username, we can just do your mom in here. So that way every time it's that's gonna be so annoying. Settings, panel, that's fine, honestly. That's fine. Alright. Let's like print something, forget this, forget this. It's the time and date, right? It's 1918. What time is it? It's 18. Okay, so the date, the time, I can't speak English. The time and date is wrong. Okay. Is there a reason why that is out of sync? It's about an hour ahead, it looks like. Alright. You guys want my root password? I'll drop it in the chat for you guys. I probably typed that in wrong. Yeah. Alright, so we'll do manual, then just subtract an hour. Because that's right? We're on it's 1820 right now, I think. Alright, my phone and my Windows computer are on 2 different times right now. Sorry guys, give me like 2 seconds. You want the password? The root password? I got you. Cosmo step bro. If you guys have not seen Monday's video, watch it. Actually, if you're like 17, watch it. Alright, but that should be good, right? We can just close this. We might need to sync it with internet servers, but like, for the record, I put that in there on purpose. That's not my actual root password. So we don't need this. Displays is fine because it's a VM, so it just will sync on my other monitors and stuff. Keyboard shortcuts. Oh yeah, we should set up some shortcuts. You said LOL if you're 17. Alright, so let's create some of these. I think in the actual... Do we have shortcuts? Look at this, boys. Look at this. And girls, boys and girls. And everyone else. Look at this. Alright. Let's get these shortcuts set up. Cool. So we're going to add a so terminal's fine. Oh, can we just modify this so instead of mate terminal it's Terminator? There you go. Wait, so if we do an Alt T now. Oh, is that like a different Alt T in here as well? Alt T. Run as terminal. Oh, did I like mess it up? Oh, do we have to like just... Oh, I guess we can change the default app, right? Hello, Mr. Cuz. Hey, are you the dude who left the comment? I remember you leaving a comment about me customizing ParrotOS. Because if so, it's mod 4, it's Windows key. Yeah. Alright, well, can I just do Alt T? Reassign. Yeah. Because I guess we could just change the default apps, but, you know, we're not going to do that. Alright, so Emacs term. What the heck is Emacs term? I actually don't know what that is. Vim, okay. Browser. So that's Firefox. That's cool with me. Genie. Alright, so we're going to get rid of Genie. I don't know. Isn't that like a Emacs? Oh, Emacs is the file explorer, right? Yeah. Yeah, it is. Okay, so we're just going to modify this. So instead of Emacs, we'll just do Kaja. So that way it's not tripping. Actually, we'll also call this Kaja. So that way when we do Windows key E, look at that. It's not trifling anymore. So we should add our calculator. We'll call this calc, and we'll do mate cal. Yes, I am the dude. Thank you. I'm glad you are the dude. Mayo, he's one of the only dudes. Yeah. If you guys have not seen my first video ever, it's actually weirdly good. I was like, because I always thought it was really bad, but I actually rewatched it like a month ago. And I was like, okay, it's decent. It's decent. Calculator. So is that right? If I do, so with our calc, if we do, what's the command that we wanted to use? Alt home. Alt home. So if I did alt home over here, will we get our calculator? Yes, we will. You guys can copy my shortcuts if you want to. Should I make like some sort of GitHub repository on like how I customize my Linux system? I feel like I should do that. I watched a lot of it, yeah, I looked into some other sources because I have parent XFC, trying to get a cool way to make it look transparent. Okay, so I'm actually gonna do, okay, I used to have my Linux system as a or like the panels were transparent and stuff. I think if you watch my desktop tour, that video has the transparent stuff in it if you're trying to do something like that. Is it working? Yeah, that's what I said. All right, so. What's next? We got the calculator, browser, Pluma. All right, let's add this Pluma in here. This Pluma is just a good, you know, little decent text editor. That's all it is, but Alt-N for notes or whatever. Then we're going to do the dictionary. So I'll do DICT. Then we can do, isn't it like Mate Dictionary? I think if I do, what's the command for the dictionary? Alt-S. Is that for like search? Okay, yeah, no, that works. Sweet. So if we do tree, look at that, boys. Look at that. This is fine. I'll forget about these shortcuts. Like, I'll just forget about them and then forget like how easy I made my life one time and then just never did it. Wait, if we do an Alt-T, will we get Terminator? We do. Awesome. So, we already fixed that, so we can just we keep Vim as mod V. All right, so I think we finished our shortcuts, which is good. Sweet. All right, so let's go ahead and minimize that. Excuse me, don't care about mouse, don't care about power, don't care about sound, don't care about time and date, don't care about any of this. Now, this is what we're looking for right here, the look and feel, This one kind of goes hard a little bit. Y'all, let's get to 700. One more person. That's all we need. Do you use any Windows managers like IW, Qtile? Not really. No, I kind of just Windows key, arrow key. All right, so let's check out the appearance. Oh, I think I wrote down the Cosmo Dark theme. I think it's in customization. Appearance preferences. Cosmo XD, extra dark. Oh my gosh, I'm so ugly, guys. I'm so sorry. So let's do our custom, which is what's gonna be. It's gonna be high contrast images. Oh, forget that. Oh, I see. Do we have to double click it or something? How do we do this? Customize, right? Yeah. Okay, I remember. Um. So which one were we using? High contrast inverse. Oh, that looks kind of cool. And then we had our window border be dust blue. Dust blue. Oh, this one. That actually looks kind of sweet. I can't even lie. Yeah, I'll put these on GitHub for you guys if you're trying to copy me. I didn't mean that to sound as weird as it did. Icons is Maya, yeah. And then the pointer is Breeze. Sweet. I know the default pointer is the same thing. Oh, Breeze Light? Should we have that contrast? What are we thinking, guys? No, I kind of like the default. But the white might be kind of cool. Or should we just got that really big one? Oh, yeah. Close. So we'll save this as Cosmo Dark. Cosmo Dark, sweet. And then I have a normal one, but I honestly just might keep this one for now, and then we can play around some other stuff later. Welcome, Odula. What's up? What's up? Yun. What are we doing? All right, so we touched the appearance. Let's go ahead. Is there anything in here that I actually need to worry about? Oh, no. Nope. Entering the danger zone. Main menu. I might touch the main menu a little bit. I don't know why I keep saying the word touch. Adam, what's good? What's good? Oh, let me get some water. I've been talking too much. Alright, so I'm gonna get rid of the games menu. There's one game that comes with Parrot. And it's like not good. So office education. What's in our office? We need some more apps in here. We need like the calculator. Programming. Yeah, there's like always some random stuff in these menus. Got you, fam. Stopped on my other account. Hey, let's go. Congrats on 700. Thanks so much, dude. I'm trying to get to 1,000 by the end of the year. I think that would be awesome. What a goat. What a goat. What an absolute Chad. Alright, Yun, we need to figure out how we're going to do these menus, right? So we have our normal menus. Privacy, we're keeping that one. Office, we need to like grow this. Because there's like the basic office stuff. We got the dictionary. Let's add the calculator in here. Oh, whoops, that's not what I meant to do. Cancel. Oh, we should create our own Cosmodium menu. And then all the, I guess all the applications in our menu would be links to like our Cosmodium related socials. I think that would be really cool. You're the only Chad out here customizing ParrotOS. Most definitely. New item. Alright, so with our new item, we're doing the calculator, right? So, Mate calculator. Does anyone know like where these images are? Can I do like a Control F calc? Nope. Where are the icons at? Like, oh my gosh, I'm not going through all that. Oh, you know what we could do? Send an improvise, adapt, and overcome, y'all. Other. We just need to find. It's probably in the Mate calculator. Can we just copy this and paste it somewhere else? Alright, so we have this. Can we just like, can we just drag this into Office? Ooh, we broke something. We broke something. We broke something, everybody. You guys see that? Uh, let's. Oh, okay, it fixed itself. It fixed itself. If we go in office, there you go. Calculators right there. If we go in accessories. Okay, so it took it out of accessories. Is there anything in accessories that we actually need that we won't put in like a different category? Okay, I got you. Breaking Linux is my favorite. Oh yeah. I got half concerned for a second, I can't lie. I think we're going to get rid of our accessories menu. I'm not even gonna lie. There's nothing in there that we need. Universal access, is there anything in there that's just not a waste of time? There's two things in here, Young. Let's get rid of this. Get rid of it. System services. Anything in here interesting? Yeah, we can keep these. Why not? Why not? System tools. Um, like Nmap SI4. I never heard of that. Um, System tools. I guess we can keep some of these. I don't know. I don't know what like half of these are. Programming. Why isn't Vim in the programming section? That makes no sense. Why is Vim in accessories and not in programming? That makes no sense. Come on now. Alright. My virtual machine isn't like me liking me doing all this customization stuff. Alright. More water. Y'all think I can beat my record from my first video? How long is that video? It's like 50 something minutes. And we're at 30 minutes. We could probably I'm not gonna take a rush. Poor Vim. Yeah, I know. It's a dang shame. Um is there anything in here that might sound and video? We can keep these honestly. I don't really care. Graphics, yeah, we can keep those. That's fine. Internet. Um You know what? I'll just keep those. At this point, I'm feeling lazy. Preferences, administration. So we're going to have our office, internet, graphics, sound, pen testing, programming. Yeah, let me make sure the programming section's good. Because, like, why is Python 3 hidden? Like, I have no idea. Oh, DB for database speed. We'll keep that. Genie, I don't use it, so I'm going to take it. It's good, I just don't use it. We'll keep bpython, get cola. I don't use those, so I'm going to get rid of those. Don't use it. I don't care about the properties, I'm just trying to disable it. We'll keep VS Code. Don't use Zeal. We'll keep Vin. And then, is there any other accessories that are programming related? Gotta go, finish some homework, good luck. Bro, you can just play me in the background while you're doing your homework. You ain't gotta go. No, I'm playing. I'll see you later, man. NeoVim, we'll add that to programming. We got a font viewer. Alright, I think that should be good with the menu, because the menu is pretty boring. We're not going to look at that much anyway. Good luck with chemistry. Was that a pun with the name Adam? Main menu, Mate Tweak. Show desktop icons. No. We're not showing any desktop icons. With the panels, we'll keep it at gnome. I don't really care. Oh, so we're going to do the panels in like a little bit. Enable keyboard LED. Alright. So I guess we can have it show this stuff, because we're going to have it, okay, we're going to redo the panels for the record. Make them look a lot prettier. Enable animation, that's cool with me, honestly. Window snapping. Appearance. Right, yeah, there you go. Wait, what's right with menu? That looks cool. I'm cool with that. HDMI auto detect. That's fine. I don't know what that is. All right, close. So we're done with tweaks. Pop-up notifications. Doesn't Callie have like the pink unicorn notification thing? All right, I think I use Coco preview. Yeah, that's the one I typically use, I think. Let's check it out. Standard theme. Ew, nah. Slider. Slider looks pretty sweet. It kind of matches the theme a little bit. Oh, heck no, we're not using that. All right, so Coco. I like them simplest. I like Coco. It's very simplistic. And then we'll have it in the bottom left. Yeah, that looks sweet. Use active monitor. Enable. No, we'll keep do not disturb off for right now. All right. Is there anything else in here? Screensaver. Oh, I hate the pop-up squares. Can we just do? Oh, Cosmos? Huh? Huh? No. We'll just do the blank screen. That's perfectly fine with me. Choose a background picture. I need to get the what's it call it? Cosmodium wallpaper on here. Windows. Position, right. Enable software closing, disable thumbnails and alt tab. No, keep the alt tab thumbnails. Select windows when the mouse hovers over them. No. Move a window. I don't know what that's talking about. Center. Yeah, center new windows. Let's make it look pretty. No, he told you. Oh, okay. Gotcha. Personal. Let's get personal, guys. All right, let's go. Can we change my wallpaper? Okay, we need to go on Firefox. All right, you're taking a second. I think it's because I'm streaming. All right, let's go on Cosmodium. Because I gave this thing 6 gigs of RAM, I might up it to like 8. Because I have 16 gigs of RAM on my computer. So I wanted a fair amount of RAM for the streaming part as well as the normal part. I hopefully you guys know what I'm talking about. Anyways. So we're going to go... Alright, I guess, hold up. We should probably get a wallpaper, but we should also get a what am I looking? I'm trying to say something, guys. I forget what I'm terrible at streaming. You guys should never rely on me for like quality streams and such. Let's check out the wallpapers. And then how do I get my logo on here? All right, which one should we get, guys? What are you guys thinking? I'm feeling the kind of let's go fishing one for like, because right now on my, because this is a VM right here, right? So right now I have the breast cancer awareness month on my Windows. The planet one. All right, you spoken. The planet one. And that's the thing. You right. Yeah, my VM is trifling right now. That's a cart. All right, we're gonna do this later when we're not handling a bunch of other stuff. Oh, you know what we also need to get is my logo. We could just do Google. Then we can go for Cosmodium CS. It's like, do you mean Oh, oh, wait, is my default not DuckDuckGo? Oh my gosh, we're having a problem, guys. Hold up. This is an emergency situation. Yeah, it's going to be slow because I'm streaming, and I'm sorry because I didn't make the RAM that big. But we're just going to deal with it, guys. We're just going to deal with it, you know. Search. This should be DuckDuckGo. Alright, yeah. Perfect. So let's try this again. We're going to do the exclamation point G and then the Cosmodium CS. So that way, when we go through this, yeah, so this right here is the most recent video. You guys can just read the thumbnail or read the title and just know exactly what the video is. This is us streaming right now. Guys, that video is so funny, but I should probably put an age restriction on it. No, search for me. We're not looking for cosmetics. We're not looking for cosmetics. Yun. Join Cosmodium CS as a Patreon member. Oh, that's cool. You can see my Patreon stuff. Oh, there's me on Hack 5. Look at that. That reminds me of that little baby lyric. I'm really somebody, you can Google me. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for right here. Poor Bing. Only real lead speed gods use Bing. I am unworthy of using Bing. Save image as. Alright, we're gonna call this fishing, I guess. Fishing logo. Sweet. So let's close this. Where were we at? Downloads. Let's get our fishing logo. And boom, we have our thumbnail. Profile picture. Whoops. So that's about me. Assistive tech. I think we're good on this. We're good on that. File management. Is there anything I actually need? Oh, okay, this stuff. Show backup files. Show hidden files. No, don't. No, never mind. Don't show hidden files. Because if you go in your home menu, there's like a lot of hidden files in your home menu by default. Ask before entering trash. Yeah, obviously. Ask before moving. No, you can move the trash. Include the delete command that bypasses trash. Yeah. Single click open. Okay, so double click. Executable text files. Display. I'm just gonna kind of fast forward through a lot of these. Honestly, I think we're good with the default stuff. Close. Yeah, that should be fine. Onboard settings. All right, these are the last couple of settings before we move into the rest of the actual pretty looking customization. Desktop integration, window, dock screen to edge. Wait. Transparency. Oh yeah, gaming versus designs. You know, this is kind of that opacity kind of level of stuff you were asking about a little bit earlier. Theme, high contrast. Honestly, I think we're good on this stuff. We'll close this. Preferred apps. This is where we need a touch. I keep saying touch, and no, it's a weird term. All right, so our web browser is Firefox. We don't have anything like this. We don't have anything for this. So image viewer, we'll keep that as that. Media player VLC, that's fine, that's fine. System, so we're switching to Terminator. Text editor is Pluma. Our calculator is just Calculator. File manager is Kaja. No, Kaja. You imagine using VS Code as a file manager? Document, that's fine. mobility. All right, perfect. And then startup applications. Hopefully nothing. Yeah, that's fine. Like that power manager, print. That should be fine. That's good. Options. No, we don't need that. All right, we're done with control center. Get out of my face. Oh my gosh, control center, ugly. All right, is there anything else we need to do before we start moving into other stuff? Because we need to touch the favorites menu, but we need to do our panels first. So we're not doing a desktop. Then our favorites menu is going to be, because we're going to have a new, like a different type of menu. So I guess we should do the panels, so that way we can start working on all this other stuff. So how do we want to do these? So we could just reset the panels, but that's fine. So remove from panel, remove from panel. All right. So now that we're going to start doing all this stuff. All right. So this, we need to move, put our time in like the center. Cool. And then this is our other menu right here. Cool. So we're going to need to add a menu to the panel. Oh, you know what? I think what we need to do actually is because... Oh, you can just delete this panel. Yes. I might have regretted doing that, but you know, if we regret it, we'll just redo the panels later. So yeah, we need to add the menu. Which menu did I use? So we can try the advanced menu. All right, I need you to click. Add to panel. Advanced multi-menu. Add. Okay, you're not working. How about brisk? Can you work? Yun. Oh, okay, no, that's not what I'm trying to do. Yun. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I kept clicking it so many times, I guess it's just taking a second to do its thing. Yeah, this is the one I want right here. So we're going to move this all the way over here. Then all these other ones we're just going to have to delete. Move. So we'll delete this from panel. Yeah, that was an accident, guys. I'm sorry about that. Remove, 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 and remove. All right. Always found Unix and I see nice things, but I'm lazy. Yeah. Sometimes you just got to take the time out of your Thursday and just sit down and do it. Like how I'm doing it kind of now. But, so with this, edit menu. No, we already edited the menu. What I meant to do, that's not what I meant to do. What I meant to do, close this, stop. All right, this thing is kind of like trifling right now. So I'm gonna give it like 2 seconds to breathe. There you go. So what are we trying to do? Preferences. And then we're gonna get rid of that menu. Button text, nothing. Or we can do like Cosmo is cool. Oh, we can just do Cosmodium. What the heck? Just to get that plugins. Favorites. Alright, cool. And then what else do we want to do here? I think that was it, really. Oh no, we needed to add the application. I forgot what it's called. Do I have it in the customization? You good? So menu, application system. Menu, the workspace. Okay, so we didn't update this, did we? No, we didn't. All right, what was the name of the thing we used to view the applications? I think it was window list. No, that wasn't it. Was it window selector? That's what it was, wasn't it? No, that's not what it was either. It was some sort of window thing. Window. This could have been it. Show thumbnails on hover. Alright, hold up. So we're going to remove that from panel. Remove that from panel. Can we do like app? Glass menu, force quick. There was a specific one that I used to use, Yun. I can't remember which one it was. I guess we'll figure it out. Copy a launcher. Advanced outside menu. So it wasn't a menu or anything. Compact menu, connect to server. We're going to need to put that up there in a second. An application dock. Was this it? Alright, I'll give it a second to load because it likes to take its sweet time with me. But I think that was, yeah, there it is. It's the dock right here. There it is. All right, so we're going to move that a little bit to the left. Right there. Perfect. So we're going to lock this to the panel. Lock this to the panel. All right, we're going to move our time, kind of center it a little bit. Then we're going to lock that to the panel. And then we're going to add some other of, I guess, the other things, right? So the brightness outlet we're going to add. We'll do battery charge monitor. We'll do, is there any other stuff? Clock? No. We have the clock up there. With patience, everything will taste better. Hopefully so, man. Hopefully so. Move. What was the other thing I added here? I think I did something else. Battery charge monitor. Yeah. Where is our battery charge monitor? Is there anything else I wanted to throw in here? Lock screen, log out, and no, not a separator. We don't need a separator. Where's that's lock screen, that's this one. We need the shutdown up here. We're gonna throw the timer up there. We're gonna do, what's the other thing we had? The cloud server. Where's the cloud? Connect to server. Then, where's the sticky notes? That was another good one. I think that should be good though, honestly. Where's sticky? Oh, it's sticky notes right here. All right, I think I'm gonna get a drawer out here so that way we don't have a bunch of random stuff. Drawer. How do you spell drawer? Yeah, I spelled that wrong. Yeah, this thing right here. And then we can change the icon for it. But for now, we'll move this into, wait, can we? All right, so we can move our sticky notes into here. We can move that into there. There's also another, what was the other app we used to have in here? It was sticky notes, it was this thing. Oh, and it was force quit, I think. And then we can move our force quit into there. And then our properties of this thing, we can make it a little bit bigger so we can fit the apps in there. Sweet. And then, that's perfect. Then we can change the icon into something cooler. Eye color, maybe, system by 16, actions. Nope. All right, let's go into like 24 by 24 maybe. Categories. All right, we need to find something, guys. Come on, hold up. All right, I just need random. Yeah, perfect. This is exactly what I needed. I just need something random that doesn't look too out of place. That's also not another app. That's a login screen. Black square, perfect. That's what I need. All right, then we're just going to move that down here a little bit. So we're not going to lock that to the panel. We're going to move that down there. Oh, sweet, perfect. Then we're going to take this, move it down all the way down here. We're just going to basically keep just doing this until we're done. It's kind of hard to make customizing like Parrot entertaining, because it's literally just me messing up a bunch of times. But hopefully it's something moderately enjoyable you guys can watch. Move the timer all the way down. We're also going to hit our preferences on the timer. There's no name on the timer, and the default will be an hour, so we can get rid of this. Close. All right, perfect. So that's how it's going to start, and then we can stop the timer. So this we can move all the way down, and then we're just literally just going to move all this other stuff all the way down as well. Okay, actually, well, then we're going to move this lock. I think that's going to go like here. We can move this right there. Move this right there. Then we're going to move. All right, where are we going to put this? We can put it like right there. All right, I think that's good. So we can close this. Oh, properties. Let's get rid of the arrow buttons. Don't show the arrow buttons. Oh, okay, that arrow is always going to be there. I don't know how much better or worse that looks. We can close this. All right, so I think that's going to be it, right? So if we take this window, full screen it, and do this. First of all, preferences. How do we want it to show? 24-hour time, it. And then so my temperature is going to be Fahrenheit and miles per hour. But so we're having the 24-hour format. We're going to not show the seconds because it's just going to be my distracting. We're not going to show the temperature, not going to show the weather. Oh, when we're opening it, got you. Cancel. All right, perfect. So we can close this, and then we're just going to move it a little bit, make sure that it's as close to being in the center as possible. We can lock it, and now we can just lock everything. So lock this. All right, lock the panel. I need to get Discord on this thing. I forgot how to do that. Lock the panel. Perfect. So if we go and hit our properties, I guess we can show, you know, that's fine. All right, awesome. So we can hit our background, solid color. We can do black as our solid color. All right, no, that looks, or should we just go for the transparent look? Yeah, that's cool. But if we're doing that with the properties, we may as well just get rid of this thing. Yeah, so that way it looks cleaner. All right, cool. So that's done. So panel number 1 of 3 is done. Whoa. So let's add a new panel. All right, so that's our panel. We're gonna do our properties here. Now, is there anything I want on this bottom panel? So we're gonna have the panel auto hide, simply because we don't need to see it. The background, we're going to make it a solid color. It doesn't really matter what color it is because it's going to be transparent. And then general, that's fine. So we can go ahead, add to our panel, and then we're going to do the classic menu to add on here. And then we're also going to do the workspaces. Workspace switcher, and that's perfect. So we can go ahead and move this over here, then go to our workspace switcher. Yeah, where is the workspace switcher starting at? Oh, okay, perfect. So now we have our workspaces and this, so we can just lock them to the panel. Perfect. So that's our bottom one done. So it'll automatically go up and down. So that way it's not in our way. This, I'm going to change the color of this panel. Properties, background. It's going to make it black. Sweet. So it looks a little bit more clean. Awesome. So the last thing we're going to do is add one more panel. So we can do right click. We'll make a new panel. It's on the right. So we want this panel, properties. We want this panel on the left. We actually need this thing for our panels because it has the so the left panel is going to be 55 pixels, and then it's going to expand. We're not going to expand it, but we're going to auto hide it. We'll get rid of the expand once we're done working with it, and then it's going to be a solid color that's going to be transparent. And then when we go over here, we can add to our panel. All right, so in here, so we'll add Firefox to it. Where on earth? Properties. All right, let's not auto hide it for right now. So that way the panel's there. Add to panel. Sweet. So we got Firefox on there. What was the other things? I think it's like Pluma. All right, we're almost done, guys. Let me get some more water. All right, cool. So what we need to do now is, oh yeah, sorry, I'm sorry. We're still working on the menu. I'm tripping, guys. I don't have Atom on my computer right now, so I'll just put VS Code on here because I guess it's the next best thing. Cosmodium. Y is VS Code. There you go. What's next? Terminator. So I'm noticing this menu is kind of like trifling right now. If that becomes too much of a problem, I'm just gonna replace the menu that I have set up there, but it should be fine. Kaja. And then we're going to need so we have Firefox, our VS Code, Terminator, Arcadia. We don't use OneNote anymore, so we can put Obsidian in there. Obsidian. So why does Obsidian not show up? Because it's on the computer, I think. All right, this is what we'll do. We'll go ahead and create it. Is there anything else we need on here too? No. So we'll add to panel. We'll create a custom application launcher. We'll call this Obsidian. And the command will be Obsidian, because I think, and then Markdown editor. Alright, so let's go on Firefox right quick. I know the menu on the left looks really bad right now. I'm still working on it, for the record. So just be patient with me. We need the Obsidian PNG. Cool. So let's drink some of this water. And I think this is going to be one of the closer to the last steps. I think after this, all we have to do is customize the Terminator, I think. And there might be like one other thing. But we're getting really close. Obsidian PNG. Yeah, this right here. View file. So we're going to save image as Blue Cosmo. We'll call this obsidian.png, but show hidden files, because we have a .obsidian in here. Yeah, .obsidian. And then obsidian.png, we'll save it. So in our custom installer, Obsidian, we're going to go here. We're going to go in our home, in our .obsidian, obsidian.png. Perfect. So that should be good if I hit OK and we click it. It's still work in progress. It's still a work in progress. I think I have an alias called Obsidian, which is what's going to let it do its thing. So instead, we can just do home/.obsidian browse. Perfect. So we're going to try this. Close. Let's try this. So we run this. Hey, there you go. We got Obsidian up and running. All right. So Obsidian's good. So with this advanced menu, it's kind of trifling a little bit. Yeah, like I click on it and it takes a second. So I might try a different menu. Try to see if that works. So we'll do that in a little bit. So the order needs to be Firefox, then our text editor, our terminal, and then Obsidian, and then Pluma. So cool. Now that we have all that done, if we right click, hit properties, we're just going to auto hide it, not expand it. And yeah, that's it. And then perfect. So if we go over here, we have like a little panel of some of the common apps we would probably use. Look at that. All right, perfect. So we're done with that. We're done with those. Let's see if we can fix the menu a little bit because I don't like the one we have right here. Add to panel. Because right now we're using what, the advanced? What's the brisk one like? Oh, I don't like the little icon though. Oh, but it's like simple. Can we like... Okay, but it's just like menu. It doesn't look cool. You know what I mean? We can do the class. No, we're not doing classic menu. We have it at the bottom. Compact menu. So it's literally just a drawer. Yeah, I don't like the compact menu. Alright. Adam in Discord. Yeah, those are the two things I need to get on here. I kind of just like got this installed, signed into Firefox, downloaded a few apps, and I was like, bet, let's stream. But no, you're totally right. Those are things I need to get on here. Let's remove this from the panel. So like if I click this, right, it takes a second. And if I type in like, hello, yeah, it's like weirdly delayed. But if I use this window and I type in hello. All right, yeah, I think this one works better. So unfortunately, we're going to have to tell this one to, you know, go away. Even though the other one looks cooler. Unlock it. We move it. So perfect. So we can lock this. We can lock this. All right, yeah, that's better. So we hit the Windows key. Edit menus. All right, so I need this one to show up when we hit the Windows key. I don't know how to click it. So why is that not working? I think it's just the menu. I think, because I mean, we have this one down here, you know. All right, we'll keep this one up there for now. I can always change it, you know what I mean? So we'll just keep this one for now and worry about it in the future. Cool. What's next? I guess Terminator, right? So let's check this. So we don't have to worry about this anymore. We can add favorites to the menu, but if we change the menu, it might not be as worth it. So I'm not going to worry about favorites right now, like as of the second. So that's our appearance. We already did login window. Terminator. Alright, let's see if we can like unminimize it. Let's get this a little bit smaller. So what did we do? In our right click, preferences. So we're going to need to do a new profile, right? Oh, so in the global, the font color, we can do like something kind of like this. When we do, oh, okay, I see. So focused, inactive, and receiving. And then the background. What does like our normal terminal look like? Oh, so is that the background, like that red? Let's make that red like a solid. Oh, you know what I might do? All right, no, let's. All right, so we're almost done here. We just need to kind of set up some of these apps. So our font color is light sage, black, dark cyan, black. Oh, I see how I did it. Okay, black. Do I have a dark cyan in here? Custom. Select. And then black. So I think I always want me to have it like this. I think that's what I was telling myself. Which one did we use? The second one right there, right? All right, it's the second one for the record. So that's like the general stuff. What's next? If we go to our profiles, we have our default, right? So we're going to have to make a new one that I'm going to call dark. So when I'm recording, you guys have a darker version of the same one, just so that way you guys can easily see what I'm doing. Cool. Let's go ahead and finish this up. So we're going to go ahead through our defaults. General, the cursor, we'll have the I-beam, foreground, and blink. Okay, foreground, I see. And then allow bold text, show title bar, copy and selection. Disable control plus mouse wheel zoom. No, you can do that. Oh no, don't disable it. I see what you're saying. Command, that's fine. Run a command as a login shell, run a... Oh, scrolling. I need infinite scroll back. Infinite scroll back. There you go. So with the colors, we're going to have our foreground and background, built-in schemes. It's going to be custom. Isn't it based off of so oh yeah, the text color is going to be that light sage right here. The background color is going to be that black. And then what are we doing here? So we have our built-in schemes. We're going to do a glove box dark. Is that what we did? Glove box dark? And then we just customized it? Gotcha, I see. So what did we do to customize it? Change the reds to dark cyan. So I see. Okay, is that what we did here? Okay. And then the background is going to be our transparent background. We're going to have 60 opacity. So transparent background, we'll go to about a 0.6. I think that's what we typically did, right? Cool. So if we close this and then go to Terminator. Oh, look at that. That looks awesome. So we got that transparent background and it looks good. So let's go back to our preferences. And then we're basically going to make a profile called dark. So dark is going to be basically the same thing. So shape, we're going to have our I-beam, foreground, blink. Our colors, our text color is going to be custom. We're going to do that light sage color right there. We'll hit select. Then our other one is going to be glove box dark. But then we're going to hit custom. And then we're going to change this red to that blue. We'll hit select. Alright. I don't know why it keeps doing that. Why does it keep doing that? Anyways, background is going to be a solid color. Solid color. All right, cool. And then colors, background color is black, so that should be black. And then we should have infinite scroll back, and that should be it. Close. So our default one is this, and it looks awesome. I'm gonna have to make the default text a little bit bigger, but we can change our profile to dark so it has that black background. So when I'm recording videos, you guys can easily read it as well. And then we have our default. Sweet. So the last thing we need to do is go on our preferences and make the default text size a little bit bigger. So profiles, general. So instead of, whoa, cancel. So we have monospace regular 13. Honestly, I'm cool with that. Oh, we can do the monospace bold. That would look kind of hard. And then instead of 10, let's do like 16. Would that look better? Can we do a restart? I forgot. All right. So if we do Alt-T. All right. The font isn't large enough. Can we go back onto our preferences? Profiles, default. So 16 isn't enough. Can we do like 22? Oh, perfect. So that's about a good, decent size for just general when I'm start recording. And then let's just do the same thing, right? So we'll go to preferences. So we chose what in our profiles? Monospace bold 22. So in the same thing, we can do monospace bold. Oops. Do they have Orbitron? I'm just curious. Orbitron is my favorite font, by the way. Random fact about me. Alright, so monospace bold. And then we're going to make that 22. Hit select. Close. Alright, so Terminator's done. I guess while we're here, we can set up a little bit of VS Code. I don't remember how I did VS Code, to be honest. Oh, Pluma. We can touch Pluma real quick. So, how did we do Pluma? Didn't we just do something different? So Pluma, I think I had to do edit preferences. Yeah, there you go. So we have fonts and colors, and then we chose Oblivion. Oh, that's kind of cool. And then what did we do? Plugins. Change case. Oh yeah, there's like a lot of stuff in like Pluma I forgot about. So change case, document statistics, external tools, file browser plain, insert date time, mod lines, Python console, and then we have quick open, sort, spell checker, tag list. Oh, that's awesome. And then the view, which is our toolbar, status bar, and side pane. All right, perfect. So that was an easy one. I forgot how exactly I have Visual Basic set up. I know part of it, but I don't know the whole nine. So let me make sure I'm done with this. I'm done with the customization one. All right. Yeah, we can install Python because we'll need that. So we'll get Python installed on here. Cool. All right, I think we're getting close to our finishing point here. I'm just gonna get like Cobalt 2 on here or something. Vault 2. That's the theme that I use if you guys are curious. I don't remember exactly how I set up VS Code, so I'm not going to do the whole thing here. I'll probably have to figure it out on my own some other time. But for right now, I mean, that should be good. I think 18 is the font I'm going to use because yeah, Cobalt 2. Sweet. Yeah, so I'm going to just leave it like this, to be honest, and we'll figure it out as I'll figure this out later. I'm going to just make sure that that's everything. Should we get a Cosmodium wallpaper to finish it off? Because I don't know. I think this looks good. Yeah, I'll change it up around and stuff, but like that's the actual general customization that I have here. We have some of our other apps up here that we don't use too often, but we can access quickly. I just realized my camera's in the way. Hold on, let me move my camera. All right, perfect. So at the top here, we have a section that we have, I guess, for our apps that are, I guess, closing here. We got some of this other stuff. You said I should get wallpaper? All right, let's get the wallpaper. Let's get a fine Cosmodium wallpaper. Other than that, we have some of the general tools up here, the time, our menu. I have the, I guess, little area that shows all whatever windows you have open. We also have the hidden side panel with the most oftenly used apps we have. And then at the bottom, we have some of our applications and such and workspaces. You're still here, sister? I thought you left. Oh, man. Cool. All right. So we're going to, I think it's slash cyber store. For whatever, I think my RAM is kind of trifling a little bit because I didn't set the RAM super high for the VM, which is fine, I guess. Sorry, guys. All right. Oh, I follow the customization. Hey, sweet, sweet. I don't know. I'm feeling the fishing one. I'm feeling the pink. I'm gonna get both. I'm gonna get both. Let's try some of these. Let's just get a bunch of them and then we'll just try them. Oh, you did some tweaks? Nice, making your own. Add it to our cart. All right, what other? We'll get this one too, and I'll get the glitch one as well. And then for work reasons, I'll get the default. I need like a clear wallpaper to this separate my Linux computer and my other computer. And if you guys want to get the wallpapers I'm getting right now, I'll drop the link in the chat here. Oh yeah, I need the. Sorry, I'm on both Linux and Windows. Let me actually get my website up. I forgot this is a virtual machine, so I can't paste it in there. Cyberstore. Wallpapers. Okay. There you go. So you guys should have the right link in there if you guys want to get these wallpapers. They're all free for the record. I'm not charging for a wallpaper. That's just crazy. So yeah, did we get this one? Oh yeah, so we got this one, this one. I'm gonna get the glitch one and then the normal one, and then we're good. Add to carts. And then this is the last one I'm gonna get. We're getting 4 different wallpapers. Alright. And that should be good. View cart. I don't know why I have the browser like this. That's so weird. Cool. Should I get a promo code? Because it's $0. Check out. Have an account, log in for customer details. Alright, let me go on my face. Alright, there you go. I just don't want to show you guys my random information. Cosmodium. What email should I use? I'll just use the business one. First name Blue, last name Cosmo. Phone number. Alright guys, my phone number is... I'm playing. Continue. And then place order. Alright, cool. So if we control back to my... There you go. So let's download these. Wait, do I just like... Alright, perfect. So save this one. Just get all of these. Do this automatically. Okay. Alright, perfect. Alright, so that should be all 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. So, Alt-T. Is there a screen on the wall behind you, or is it a poster? Both. So, I have a bunch of... Actually, hold on. Let me just... So, I have a bunch of posters. Black and green is my favorite color combination, so you guys can see how messy my bed is. I'm sorry. But that right there is a electric frame that has like some of my old thumbnails and like certifications and such. And then you can guys probably see some DedSec stuff on here. DedSec, that. Then we got Cthulhu, some other stuff. Yeah, but hopefully that answered your question. And screen paste. Cool. So if we list our downloads, cool. So we're going, if we list in here, we have pictures, perfect. So we're going to move downloads all.png, and then we're going to move it into our pictures. So let's cd into our pictures a list, and then we can have our wallpapers in here. So let's go ahead and I guess we can close this. Can I right click? My mouse, I think my mouse is dead, or it's like slowly dying. Cause it is acting up right now. Let me turn it off and turn it back on. Oh, wait, let me what is going on with my mouse right now, guys? I cannot right click. I think it might have to do with the actual, that's fine. We can just go on the control center. How do we change the wallpaper? Appearance. Background. There you go. So if we go ahead and... What is the song, Yun? No, we're skipping this. It's literally just 1 and 2 over and again. Background. Alright. Add. There you go. Alright. So we're opening all of those. So let's try some of these. Alright, what do we think, guys? That's... Oh, wait, hold on. We need to not have it zoom, but we need to have it... Which one is it? I think it's like... It's not zoom. It's not stretch. Wait, hold up. Is zoom the right one? Let's check out... Let me make sure. So we go on the glitch. Is that the whole wallpaper? Am I like just tripping? Let me go on the normal Cosmodium wallpaper. And make sure. Okay, so that it is getting the whole wallpaper. Okay, good. So of course we have... Oh, honestly though? Hold up. Let's get my layout 2 on here. And let me get stream. You can raise the speed from the settings. Every time I try a new operating system, I need to adjust the speed of the cursor. If that's what you mean. No. It was more of the click. Like the right click was just not working. It might be the actual mouse though, not the operating system. I'm honestly kind of digging this. Hold up. All right, so we got the normal Cosmodium wallpaper. There's the Cosmodium glitch, which can kind of look misleading, so I don't think we're going to go for this. All right, we can go for the space one, right? How do you delete the irritating sound? Oh my gosh, I forgot to turn that off. I'll show you right now. You go on sound, I think. And you do, choose an alert sound. No sounds. That's how you do it. Cool. That should hopefully show you how to do it. So we got the space one. It's pretty sweet. And then, wasn't there one more we got? Oh yeah, this one. That's pretty cool. I mean, if we change this, but honestly, I think I might just go for the default Cosmodium vein. Because I think it fits the best with like the color scheme we got going on. You know? And then let me move it back to layout 1. I think that's pretty sweet. I think that's pretty sweet. And I guess that means it was just, yeah, if you watch my first video, I was like mad pressed about the sound. Thank you for reminding me, because that would have been annoying if I forgot that. Alright guys, I think that's the whole customization. Should I go over it real quick? I'm gonna go over it real quick. So, of course we have the clock on the top, right? We got the menu here. I might replace the menu. I'll do an Alt-T just so that way you guys can see the other programs. So when I have programs, it would just show up as the little dot right here instead. So we can do like an Alt-B for our browser, which is Firefox, and Did I hit Alt B? Or is it just going to take its time? I don't know. Regardless, if we open up some other applications, they'll show up at the top here. And instead of being those super long bars, it's just going to be these little things at the top. That kind of looks like the default one anyway. So we can go ahead and close both of those. Then we just have our general assets up here. We have a timer, so when we're doing CTFs and stuff, we can keep track of time. So we'll stop the timer. And then we have some of our basic apps that I use pretty often. Then we have our side panel, which just shows, like, it'll only go open when you're in the area of those apps. We have Firefox, VS Code, Terminator, Kaja, Obsidian, and Pluma. Just are some of the basic apps that I use the most often that I can quickly access. And then at the bottom, we have that basic menu with all the random stuff. And then I have some of the workspaces over there. So that's it for the actual visual front. And then what I also did was in our, we customized our terminal, made it look a little prettier. We also got Terminator in here, so we can do multiple terminals and stuff. And then we didn't really touch too much of the actual applications. I mean, I'm probably gonna end the stream here, but we could also customize our file explorer a little bit, because Kaja, I have a server in Cthulhu is the name of my server. It's right here, and we probably should connect Cthulhu to this thing, but that doesn't really have to do with customization and such, so I'll do that later. And I'm also going to transfer my files off of my server onto this thing and connect Obsidian with my Git and all this other stuff. So I think that's going to be it, guys. I think we got a good solid customization in here. Lots of fun. And I think that was it, though. I think that's good. I think I'm kind of happy with it. It looks pretty sweet. And now I have it quickly accessible on my computer. So I can just go ahead and, yeah, we can just suspend it. And then this is my Windows computer right here with, you know, the pink for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. It's one of the wallpapers on the website. Yeah, let me turn this music off right quick. Yeah, cool. All right, guys, let me go on my face. Talk the talk, walk the walk. Just a random stream. I decided just to stream, you know, customize this thing. Tomorrow is Friday, so that's the days we actually stream. Tomorrow we're going to be working on the Codex project. I might even transfer it from Windows onto our Linux computer, just so we can have that easier productivity through Linux and such. We'll see how it goes. Depends on how I'm feeling, but yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this type of thing. I know my first video is kind of reminiscent of this video, right? I just made a new one, decided to stream it this time, do some other stuff. I know the video was like twice as long probably, but hopefully it was something you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like on this video, subscribe, share, check out Monday's video, because that was awesome. Trust me, it stands out. So it's kind of hard to miss. But again, again, appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next one. So stay happy, stay positive, and as always, happy hacking.